At Mary Mediatrix, our dedication extends beyond excellent patient care. We value and support our employees who make that care possible, guided by the genuine spirit of Malasaki. We believe that when our employees feel respected, supported, and empowered, they are able to provide compassionate, high-quality care to every patient we serve.
The primary thing that we do first is we listen to our people. That's important. We would not able to carry out whatever programs without listening to them. So we need to hear their voices, their concerns, and what they want. We are very much grateful for this year. We had a lot of breakthroughs this year, not only with our revenues, even with how to take care of our patients. We had a lot of positive responses, not only from our patients, but outside the community of pediatrics. We had a lot of awards outside. And I think it's a good start for 2026 as we embark for more, better pediatrics, more services to come. And I hope sana na-film natin lahat talagang Paskong may malasakit dito sa pediatrics.
Sobrang namin nararamdaman talaga. Sobra tayong pagbabag. Kasi from the day one, talaga nakaka-amaze. Naka-receive tayo ng grocery item, may hampa tayo.
5 kilograms na bigas.
Bukod doon, may mga gift certificates pa kami, plus bonus.
Since this is my first company, my God, I'm so shocked sa lahat ng ibinigay ng Mary Mediatrix. The malasakit is there. Nandun talaga yung malasakit sa mga staff.
Actually, yung naramdaman mo talaga katago sa puso. Kasi bakit? It's not about the physical things na binibigay ngayon ni Mary Mediatrix eh. It's about the surprises. Taon mga Pilipino, may huli tayo sa surprises. So, part of it, nag-iingat tayo. Konting bigay lang sa atin, talagang lahat yung pagod natin the past 11 months of the year, parang lahat talaga damang-dama natin yun. Yung mga revelation management, grabe, sumusunod ko lagi sa nakakala mo. Yun na yun pala, may mas matindi pa pala ng surprise.
Nakakataba ng puso.
Naramdaman ko na hindi kami pinababayari ni Mediatrix.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa mga employees, sa pakikinig sa mga concerns namin.
Sa Mary Mediatrix po Medical Center Management, I would like to thank you po sa lahat ng blessings na binigay nyo sa lahat ng employee. Napakalaki pong tulong ito sa amin at makikita nyo po sa bawat isa ang ngiti sa aming mga labi.
Because here at Mary Mediatrix, may dama ang tunay mamalasakit. Definitely, the spirit of malasakit will continue as we work as one Mary Mediatrix toward many more successful years ahead.